Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to unarchive a chat on Messenger using the updated method. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Open the Messenger app on your Android device. Launch the Messenger application on your Android smartphone or tablet by tapping on the Messenger icon. 2. Tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top left. In the Messenger app, locate and tap on the 3 horizontal lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the Messenger menu. 3. Tap Archive. From the menu options, select Archive to view your archived chats. 4. Tap and hold your finger on it. Locate the chat you want to unarchive, then tap and hold your finger on it until a menu appears. 5. When the menu appears, select Unarchive. Once the menu appears, look for the Unarchive option and tap on it to unarchive the chat and bring it back to your main chat list. By following these steps, you can easily unarchive a chat on Messenger using your Android device. Unarchiving a chat allows you to retrieve and continue conversations that you have previously archived. Thank you for watching, and enjoy unarchiving your chats on Messenger using these simple steps.